Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So this video is going to be very much helpful for those who have messaged me on Instagram that they are not at all able to use Google document on their phone device. So let me tell you one thing, that when you will be using your phone device to say to work on Google document, you won't be able to use Gemini, the chatbot Gemini option, or even if you want to use that help me write AI feature, so you won't be able to do it. To make the full use of it, you need to switch on to your laptop. If you have your laptop, try use it, and if you have your PC, then use it. And when you will be using your laptop and PC, then only you can get these kind of options. If I go for a few, say, let me show you one example. If I try to rewrite it or say elaborate it or something, so let's see what are the options that we are getting. You can see here copy, select all, these two options. Then if I am clicking here in these three dots, then add comment, add emoji, reaction. Okay, let me click here to this button. Now we can see cut, copy, paste, and here you can see select all, add comment, add emoji, reaction, or insert link. But we don't want to go with any such option. We are looking for some AI, like AI help. So let's see upside of this. You can see one tick, then back, or going up, like next to next, whatever changes we have made, then that text format, then plus, then one message box, then three dots. Let's click on these three dots again. So you can see there is nothing like AI help or AI suggestion. So to make the full use of AI, it's suggested that it's good if you are using your laptop or PC, because if you are not using it and if you are using a phone device, then you won't be able to get benefit of these options like AI help me write, elaborate, or maybe if you are writing top 50 tools of graphic designing. So if you are using your laptop, then you just need to click on elaborate, and then they will be providing you with top 50 tools. So yeah, please do take care of it. Just use your laptop. Don't get confused if I'm sharing some video on laptop. So it's not like you have to you can use it on phone too. So if I am saying that you can only use it on your on your laptop or on your phone, so take care of it too. So I think I missed like adding this line that you can only add say document thing on your phone device. So you can, sorry, on your this laptop or PC like device. So I missed, I think, adding this. Next time I'll take care of it too. So please don't get confused. If you have a laptop, so please browse these features or use these features from your laptop and make the full use of it. Still, if you get any confusion, just let me know. I will be taking care of your confusion. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. And also I am within this week, maybe I will be coming with some basic guitar tutorials, starting from the basic of guitars to basic learning. And also, just to make the videos a bit interesting, I will be leaving one, say, guitar, I will be playing one guitar tabs and will be asking you guys what song is this. So it is going to be a fun like kind of session. So please do take care of like whatever things you are learning. And also, if you have any confusion, just let me know. And I'm not saying that whatever things you are learning from me, but whatever things you are learning from others too. Don't just grasp that knowledge and start creating your own like thought process. Please try to understand what are the uses of that knowledge or whatever educational content you are viewing. So just take care of it. And if there is any confusion, you can ask the creator about your confusion. Whatever confusion you just ask the question and make it clear. Don't get confused. Don't do wrong things that will consume your time. Say you want to write something, but you are using that thing on phone, and like you want to write something, elaborate something on Google document, but you don't know, you can only do it on your laptop, and you are consuming your time by searching the feature and everything. Just please just take care of it. So it's not, I didn't like when I got 2 to 3 messages on Instagram account that why I'm not at all able to use this feature on my phone device. So is there something that I need to update, but I am seeing the update option, but there is no such a option in Play Store. So it's not good, right? Like I felt bad actually, so because I missed that one line. So it's truly good for any content creator. Suppose if I'm making any video and I'm leaving any kind of confusion for you guys, so it's truly bad for me. I will be feeling bad, right? Because you guys are conveying your time, and I need to be take care of it. So I'll take care of it. I'm so sorry for it. So yeah, just please just use your laptop or your PC, so you won't be able to use Gemini or help me write options from of Google document from your phone device. So to use these options, you need to switch on to your laptop. So yeah, just want to talk about this. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. And very soon, maybe within the end, by the end of this week, I will be coming with guitar tutorials from the very basic, from the very beginning. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. So stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.